Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java Iterator. So let's get started. An iterator is an object that can be used to loop through collections. Okay, so like in array list or a hash set we can use. It is called as iterator because iterating is a technical term for looping. Okay, so it is under the Java util package. Okay, so in iterator method can be used to get iterate for any collection. Let's see the example. Okay, so here we have create array list, okay, object, and added 4 values. Now we have to iterate each value. So iterator string it is the object which we have created, card dot iterate. Now we are printing the first item, so it dot next, like here iterator is there. So next value is just follow, one value is printed, only one value we are printing, okay, for the first value. So you can get this. Now loop through the collection. Now all the values we have to print. So we have checking while has next, the next value will be printed. Then we'll check here, it has next, yes it has next, UMW is printed. It's check has this, yes 4 is there, 4 is printed. Has next, is there, so it has value, then it's printed. Now no value is there, so all the 4 values are printed and it will stop. So like this you can add and iterate another value. Now removing item from the array list. How we will do this? Array list added iterate has next. Okay, now if I is less than 10, then remove, okay, and then print. So iterator, so has next, so first value we have 12, okay, condition become false, it's not less than 10, then 12 is printed. Now next value is 8, okay, so 8 is less than 10, then 10 will be removed. Then 2, now condition become true, okay, less than 10, then this will not print. And 23, condition become false, and then it will come, then it's print. Okay, like this the value is getting. Trying to remove the item using a for loop or for each loop would not work correctly because the collection is changing the size at the same time. Okay, so try that code is trying to loop. Okay, so we should use iterator. Okay, if you have any question please comment, and please subscribe my channel, to like my video, do share. Thank you, bye bye.